Want to scan a QR code on your iPhone? Whether it's a QR code in front of you or one saved in a photo, here's how to do it. First, if you're scanning a physical QR code, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap the search bar and search for camera, then open it. Scroll down and make sure Scan QR codes is turned on. Now open the camera app and point it at the QR code. As soon as your iPhone recognizes it, a notification will appear at the top or bottom of the screen. Simply tap the notification to open the website, app, or information linked to the QR code. If the QR code is in a photo, text message, or email, first save it to your Photos app if needed. Open the Photos app and select the image containing the QR code. Press and hold on the QR code, or tap the QR code icon if it appears. Then tap the detected link to open it in Safari or the appropriate app. And that's it. You can now scan QR codes directly with your iPhone, whether they're in front of you or saved in your photo library.